Packaging soap without sealing machine, it's possible to achieve it. Welcome to the Zone tutorial, introducing our mini table cutter and multi-purpose soap cutter. Available and affordable. Call us with the number on the screen to place order on WhatsApp. Delivery within 3 to 5 days. We also customize soap stamp for your brand. Our cutter comes with mold, shapers, groover that gives you a perfect soap. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to this channel, like, share this video to family and friends. This video is not just for soapers only, it is for everyone who is into production and packaging. Thank you. All right guys, set your candle. Make sure your candle is on. Okay, after your candle is being on, then you just put your soap inside your nylon bag. Then you can see how I fold that, right? Then you place one of your spoon at the front and you place the other one at the back. Okay, you don't need an impulse sealer to achieve this. Okay, if you have money for impulse sealer, you can get that. All right, but to get a very good soap, you are going to do what? Purchase our soap cutter that will give you a very smooth cut, okay, and good look. So after placing the spoon at the back of your soap and at the front edge to clip the nylon together, you just make sure that there's a little leftover at the top. That is where you'll be taking to your candle to seal. Then after sealing, all you are just going to do is to what? Pick up your scissors and trim off the excess parts from that sealing. This soap is strong. It's so strong, it's that nylon cannot remove except you force to tear it out. So you just keep repeating the same process. And one thing about sealing our soap after it has cured for maybe 2 weeks, 1 week, 4 weeks is that it will stop your soap from drying so much. You know, there are some soap that it will be too dry, you have to soak some in water before it will what? Foam. No, but by sealing your soap, even sealing, after sealing, you can store this soap for 1 year and the texture and the look will still look fresh and neat. I love to see my soap, and this method helps us so much in case we don't have light in our area and we need to make supply, we need to sell our soap looking good and nice. This will help us. Just look at the beautiful soap that we've achieved, guys. Check this beautiful soap out now. Check it out. Do you believe now that I see this with candle? No, sealed your soap, and this is the perfect soap. This is very perfect and good soap that we've achieved so far. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Soap classes is on, bar soap, liquid soap and more. Join the family today. I take one-on-one classes, just you and I alone, and these classes I'll be training with you personally. Bye.